Hey guys, so we are whipping up another, I would say, cold salad technically. We all know food is expensive, and we have some cilantro, 98 cents, 98 cents. Celery. The celery was, I think, $1.29, although I've seen some for 98 cents. Carrots, 98 cents. So we're gonna put something together. It's gonna turn out amazing. One of the things that has become really, really important in my life is potency over portion. But when you eat a lot of plants like these, you can actually up your portion so that you can up your calorie intake, or should I say caloric intake, because that is very important to make sure you're getting enough calories when you have a lot of plant-based foods. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up the carrots and the celery, and I'm just going to blanch them a little bit because I need things to be a little bit more al dente for my teeth, so that I don't get a really hard crunch, but that I can get something that's sort of like right to the tooth without it being too overly soft. Let's go. Now we are ready. So just added a little bit of water. I'm gonna create a little bit of steam just to get them softened a little bit. And while that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and make my dressing. I'm gonna go ahead and make the dressing in here. We have a plethora of spices, liquid aminos, olive oil, nutritional yeast, rosemary powder, caraway seeds, flax meal, and some lime, paprika, some chili, some just everything. Okay, gonna make a wonderful dressing. And we're saving our leaves from our celery to top, and our cilantro. Everything will all become a part of this salad. 2 tablespoons of flax meal, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I did like 3/4 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and some caraway seeds. The caraway seeds are pretty strong. Their flavor really comes out. Gonna do about that much, if you can see it. That's good. Caraway seeds, paprika, that much. That's about half a tablespoon. Rosemary powder. Doing all of my dry ingredients first. Oh, the rosemary powder is so wonderful. That much. Now this is ground cumin, which actually makes it good for, I'm just going to do a little bit. Nutritional yeast is like very good. I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon, maybe 1.5. Okay. I tend to shop from a lot of bulk sections. And there you have it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off, let it cool off. I'm going to take it off the heat. I'm just going to let it sit for right now while I finish liquid amino. Make sure seal off. I would shake everything up. All right, let's do some olive oil. I don't know how much I used. 1/4 of a cup. It's like I don't measure. I am going to use a fork for this. Then we're going to do a taste test. See what else it might need. Oh my gosh, guys, literally, okay. It's literally perfect. It's literally perfect. The lime, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's the perfect amount of saltiness. I think I'll add a little bit more rosemary powder. Before I add anything else, I just want it to sit, marinate a little bit for about 10 minutes. Then I'll taste it again to see if I need to add anything else. With the parsley, I'm mainly gonna just get the leaves and some of the more delicate part of the stems. Okay, so I am aligning them all in the same direction so I can have like a little tree. Okay, and with the remainder of my celery leaves, I'm just going to chop those down a little bit. Add it to our dish. We have our 3 entities, and we are ready to combine them. I've just added more caraway seeds, tasted it. You see how it's thickening. One thing for certain, flax seeds, flax meal, they are a thickener. Just a tiny bit more water. It's beautiful. Nice large portions. I think overall this was what, like $5. The liquid amino was $5. As far as the items that I purchased for this. So you have $10 that's going to stretch through the week for one person.